That's how it looks with the lights on. I mean the lights off here in the room. So like I said, I just have to upgrade the video card. So that's basically one of the last thing I'm gonna be doing. But that's how it looks in the inside. It's not a lot of light on the inside, but that's how I want it. So let's turn the light on. That's basically how it looks. Okay, so that's everything. Okay, so that's my computer right there.